Hey, today I've got a Yale rim cylinder. This one is a challenge lock for a friend that I have knocked up. So there's all sorts of weird and nasty, wonderful little pins inside here. I thought I'd give it a go on camera, see if I can pick it. Then I can put it in the post with the rest of the tack that's after him. And there. Right, so here's the coup. Let me just put this so there's a good view of that. I'm going to go in with this Sparrows very short hook and a Peterson pry. I'm going to start at the front. It's a bit of a wiggle to get it under the knuckle. Anyone who's done one of these Yale rims will know what I'm on about. Okay, well, there's a very slight grip on the turn on the core, but it was a serrated pin. It was. I'm just light, not even just holding the pry bar in place. Okay, work my way through to the back. So I'm on pin 5. Little click on 4, little click on 2, it's tight in there. Okay, a little slight turn on the core there. Okay, under, very under, pin 2. 3 was the big one, 2 was the pin after it. That's pin 1. A bit of feedback on, I think it's 4. 3 or 4 in there. A lot of cricking and crunching going on here. Okay, I think 5 is not set. Okay, I'm currently on 2. Nice creaking going on. I apologise if the camera's wobbling a bit. It's the way I've just changed the tripod around a bit. Getting no feedback here. Oh, there's a little bit. Just as I said. So I'm surprised I'm not getting as much feedback as I expected. believe there's just 5. Into a falset, nice falset there. Right, now I might be able to get a little bit of feedback here. I've got a fair idea what's hung up now. Phew, yoy. Let's get this puppy open. I've taken the clip off the back just because it's easier. Sorry. Okay, got a little follower ready here. Just turn that a little touch, don't want it getting caught in that little slot. Okay, number 1, number 2. Nice serrated. Number 3, another serrated keep-in. Number 4, another serrated keep-in, but not a filed bottom. And another one. Okay, so there's nothing in the core. Oh yeah, there is a bit, is there? If there is something in there, it's extremely light. I mean, I can see little bits of grooves, but then I can also see a sort of a chamfered topped edge to the top there. Anyway, there's the plug. Let's have a look in the Bible. Okay, number 1, we've got a standard serrated. Number 2, we have got crazy little teep-in. Or no, well, drunken spool type affair. Come on out. Okay, number 3, we've got a crazy serrated type spool. Number 4, we've got another drunken spool. And number 5, we've got that serrated spool. So yeah, number 1 pick, junkie. This is on its way to you. Barrels of fun. Let's just focus that up and have a look. Okay, so standard brass. And this one, number 2. See, I've filed the edge and I've given it some serrations. Number 3 was just similar to this one up here, just the standard serrated. I've just put a little bit of a keep-in bottom on it. Number 4, I've just put some serrations on. Number 5, you've got another one similar to number 3. So up the top, there we go, another standard serrated. Then we've got a serrated drunken spool, and then I've got a sort of a spool, drunken spool, and a serrated spool on the far end there. Various different spring strengths as well going into that. So yeah, nice one. Thank you ever so much for watching. This was the Yale rim. Barrels of fun on its way to #1 Pick Junkie. Hope you enjoy. Just check there's nothing up in the Bible, which is not. Take it easy, like, subscribe, all that gumph, and catch you all very soon. Nice one. Be good.